How to be a construction manager. You may have just typed something like that into Google and that's how you found this video. And if that's so, let's talk about that. By the way, my name is Rich Riley and I was a construction manager and a construction superintendent for literally 30 years of my life. It was up in Northern Virginia. I don't have my Virginia hat on, but I did for a minute. I did a little while ago. Anyway, the way to become a construction manager is to learn the process, to learn to understand how the construction business works. And a construction manager is really the guy who, or the gal, who puts the project together from start to finish, negotiating the contracts, working with the engineers, working with the architects, working with all the subcontractors, working with the field personnel to make all of that stuff happen. He's the interface between the office and the field. Now there are times when the construction manager and a construction superintendent are the same person and wear the same hat. That happened to me a number of times because the company that I was with was small enough that there wasn't the two different positions, and quite frankly we had to wear both hats, which wasn't necessarily a bad thing. It was just more work. But a construction manager is the person who's going to really make sure that the project gets done and in a profitable way for the company. Otherwise, you're not gonna last long. I mean, it's just that simple. And if you're looking to become a construction manager, and if you're doing that as simply a function of generating income, which is exactly where I was 40 years ago. It was purely an income-making decision, right? Well, the truth is, even after I've retired for 10 years, there are still decisions to be made about income, and which is why we run an internet business that allows that income to be taken off the table so that I don't have to worry about income, because the internet business sort of makes that happen for us. And the truth is, if that internet business had been available 40 years ago, my decision-making process back then would have probably been different. And I bring that up because if you are anything like me and it's simply a matter of income, you might want to take a look at Online with Rich and see what myself and our team is doing to produce some pretty staggering numbers. And as I say, had this been available to me 40 years ago, I may have actually gone through a completely different career choice. It's that powerful. And again, I realize that's not why you're here. But indeed, if income is the challenge, why not just take that away and then pursue what you're really passionate about? Wouldn't that be more fun? So take a look at onlinewithrich.com and let us show you the blueprint that we're using. And we'll see you over there. Take care.